Hello everyone, welcome back to CB Auto News. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Renault Captur, a subcompact crossover that's getting a fresh look, upgraded technology, and a more efficient hybrid system. Renault has been refining the Captur for years, and this next generation model is set to bring a perfect balance of style, practicality, and performance. If you're excited about modern, fuel-efficient SUVs with a sleek design, stick around because there's a lot to unpack. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Captur is expected to retain its signature two-tone color scheme, but with noticeable refinements. The front end is likely to get a bolder, more sculpted fascia featuring a redesigned grille that seamlessly integrates the Renault Diamond emblem. Slimmer LED headlights will add a sharper, more aggressive look while also enhancing visibility. At the back, Renault is rumored to introduce a full-width LED light bar, giving the Captur a futuristic and premium appearance. The side profile remains familiar, but we might see larger wheel options, a lower roofline, and even flush door handles to improve aerodynamics. Some reports suggest Renault could incorporate more sustainable materials, using lightweight metals and recyclable polymers to boost efficiency while maintaining durability. Inside, Renault is expected to focus on comfort and high-tech features. The new Captur will likely come with a larger infotainment display, upgraded connectivity, and a fully digital driver's cockpit. The cabin could see more premium materials, better seat ergonomics, and enhanced climate control for a more refined experience. Features like wireless charging, customizable ambient lighting, and hands-free access to the cargo area are also expected, making the Captur even more convenient for daily use. Under the hood, the biggest updates are in the powertrain. Renault is making a stronger push toward electrification, and the 2026 Captur is rumored to get a more advanced hybrid system. The 1.3L turbocharged engine is expected to return, but with better efficiency and lower emissions. More excitingly, a plug-in hybrid variant could be introduced, offering over 50 miles of electric-only range. Fuel economy is also expected to improve, with hybrid models possibly exceeding 60 mpg combined. Renault might pair this with a new automatic transmission, offering a smoother and more responsive driving experience. The 2026 Renault Captur is set to debut in late 2025, with deliveries expected to start in early 2026. Pricing will likely start at around $28,000 for the base model, while higher trims, including the plug-in hybrid, could go up to $35,000. With its sleek new design, cutting-edge technology, and improved efficiency, the next-gen Captur is shaping up to be a serious contender in the subcompact crossover market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting car updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.